Hi my friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Thuong and I am living in Michigan, USA. As you can see, my husband Cruz and I are cleaning our bike. We had a busy summer renovating our house. It finally finished and we have created a room for our bikes. Before we created the bike room, we had bikes all over the house. Now we have them all in one place. Before we tour the bike room, let's do a little cleaning. For those of you who don't know, we have a cycling channel called Two Wheel Cruise. I have been cycling for about 8 years and Cruz has been cycling for over 17 years. So we have a lot of bikes, as you can see. We used to ride our bike a lot, about 5 times a week. Since we moved to the US, we have been busy with home renovation, so we rarely ride our bike. But now we can ride more, and maybe soon we will return to our normal life like in Vietnam and Thailand. Speaking of bike, how do you guys normally bike? Like us, always look for deals to buy. Cruz is great at finding good deals. We bought gravel bikes and mountain bike at great price, about 50% of the price.
Kono bike ikura de katta the?
About the night. $2,000 start up.
割引だで買っただな。
もともと$4,000くらいの自転車だよ。半額で買った。
Nice price.
Wait until Cruz finish cleaning this bike, then I'll show you our bike room. This is my new BMC mountain bike and Cruz bike is Scott. It's getting colder in Michigan. How is it where you are? It's been a great time for biking. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Strava to see all of our adventure. Now, let's go see the bike room. We have it in the basement. It's not 100% finished yet, but we can put bike there. I joked with Cruz that it was like a bike shop. There was only 2 of us, but we have 11 bikes. And that's not counting the folding bike, spin bike and e-bike. Every time we buy a new bike, I say, we already have plenty. But Cruz is like, Thuong, you need a mountain bike, right? Michigan had a lot of gravel roads, so you need a gravel bike. We always have a reason to buy a new bike. Anyone else like us? Let's take another look at our bike shop. What do you think when you see them? If you need information about bike or have any question, let me know in the comment. And this is the bike wheel area. We have another area where we hang out grasses and cycling clothes. If we move them to the basement, it would be like a small bike shop. Next up is decorating the bedroom. We still have our medals and awards from race we have participated in. Hopefully, this collection will grow in the future. Cleaning and set up bedroom video end here. Thank you everyone for always following and supporting us. Before leaving, let's try to greet us. Let's go!